Hi. Okay. Right. Okay. Hi, this is Miss Brenda. Welcome back to my channel. I'm out here trying to get his car jumped, Mr. Spider. Remember he in the hospital therapy. He never get it started back in the day, and they're gonna do our lot. But they doing that side right now. I don't know if you can see them. And we're gonna do our side.
We have to wait.
Yes, we're gonna see if he gonna try to jump it for me, so I can get it moved, because they're gonna do this side of the lot, pave it Thursday, Friday, and we'll be able to park the car back Saturday. They on the other side right now, doing the lot. You can see them, can't you? Or hear them once. I know that costs some money. And here go the rent increase again. The men already increased thinking we live in New York. That's the garbage truck right here in the background. He said he gonna jump as soon as the garbage truck move out the way. A lot of action around here today, I know that. A lot of action. As far as I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. Ain't got no grandkids to fool with. It's just me, myself, and I. And I feel good, okay? I look at the problem, say, where that lady teeth at? I can put them in my mouth, but I need some new ones, because sometimes them things gag you. So I advise anybody out there, make sure you take care of your teeth and brush them and stop all eating them sweets and stuff. There's not no fun in wearing dentures, I'm going to tell you. Okay. See, hope he can jump up. Well, I'm going to have to call AAA to tow his car down to a girl I know down the street, putting her lot, because his license expired. So if we was to park on the other street, like the landlord got permission, they'll tow it. If the county go down there and look and see his plate, I don't know what's wrong with that man. He got the red light, engine light on. He needs to get that fixed before he get to pass in order to pass the clean air test. Everybody know that. So we'll see.